Freight 985 should come back up past.
Good evening,
Good
officer.
evening.
Is there a problem?
Yes, there is.
Well, tell me, officer, what's the problem?
Truck of yours matching the description of a stolen vehicle. Officer, please, I will never steal.
License and registration.
10-4. If you can just throw a note in the log that I'm going to be leaving a note on his vehicle advising him to remove it.
What is that noise? Step out of the truck.